Saturday, December 19th. Jack, do it again to Elizabeth. Do it. Do it to Elizabeth. Do it to Jack. Where's Jack? There he is.
Mommy?
Do it to Mommy. Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy? There she is. Do it to Elizabeth. Where's Mommy? There she is.
Where's Jack?
Where's Jack? There he is. Do it to Elizabeth now.
It's Elizabeth's turn.
It's Elizabeth's turn. Where's Jack? There he is.
Remember, these are Elizabeth. She's sharing with you.
Look at, there's our little Elizabeth standing up. One hand, Daddy, one hand. Look at me, one hand.
I don't respond to that.
Hello, Elizabeth. Are you standing up? Jack, say hi. Jack, can you sing the alphabet song for us?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, C, W, X, Y, and
Can you count to 10?
1, 2, 3,
Are you okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you spell Jack? Can you spell baby? Can you spell daddy? Can you spell mommy? Okay. Bye-bye, Elizabeth.